This is nothing like any sound in Spanish. A lot of people think that it's like an ah, but look at the difference. Ah, ah. This is ah, ah.
Okay.
I want you to lower your jaw. This is a very relaxed sound. So relajas todo. The tip of your tongue is gonna be close to your bottom teeth, and it's a long sound. So it's not going to be like in Spanish that we have ah, ah. Ah is a very short sound compared to this sound. This sound is ah. So I want you to do that with me, Rosa. Do ah.
Ah.
Exactly. You see, you're doing a good job. You're lowering your jaw, very relaxed. It's not like the ah in Spanish. The ah in Spanish is more tense. This is
Okay.
again very relaxed, like you
Alright.
see in the picture. So do that with me. Ah,
Ah.
great job. And also great job with the length. You are making the sound long.
Okay.
That's great job
Okay.
because this is a long sound, just like that. So no ah,
Okay.
no. Ah, do it one more time. Ah.
Ah.
Okay, and now I want you to say this word with me, the word not.
Not.
So you see it's not
Okay.
rounding your lips, which is what we normally do because we see an O and our Spanish brain wants to pronounce it like an O, not. But no,
Okay.
it's not because with not we round our lips. La O del español es redondeando los labios. This is not rounding our lips, but opening our mouth. Okay, now I'm gonna go with you, Genesis. You have to relax your jaw really open up and make that sound long. So do that with me. Ah.
Ah.
Good job relaxing your jaw. I want you to make it a little longer if you can, because this is a long sound. So try to do that with me one more time. Ah.
Ah.
You see that you made that sound longer. Again, it's long in its standard version, okay? When we speak fast, these sounds tend to reduce, but
Okay.
the standard version of these sounds tend to be
Mhm.
long. So do that one more time with me, Genesis. Ah,
Ah.
good job, good job. Okay, now I want you to say this word with me. Not.
Not.
Again, great job and beautiful T at the end. Those T's, those hard consonants tend to be difficult. Say that one more time with me, just the way that you did it. Not.
Not.
Good job. Nice. Let's go with you. So, same thing. Remember, you're gonna
Okay.
relax everything. Try to make the sound long. So, do that with me. Ah.
Ah.
Beautiful. Great job. One more time. Ah.
Ah.
So again, I like the length. You're making it long. You're not rounding your lips at all. You're relaxing everything. If you can, open your mouth a little bit more. Relax it. Uh, what I mean is
Okay.
lower your jaw a little bit more. Ah.
Ah. Okay. Ah.
So you see that you are um, opening as you do the sound. Try to, how do I say that? Try to do it at the same time, not as slowly. Do it, look at the way that I'm doing
Okay.
it. Ah,
Ah.
great, but great opening, but now try to make it longer. You see that sometimes the difficult thing, we focus on one
Okay.
thing and then we don't do the other thing. You know, all of this is tricky, so don't worry.
Mhm.
Do it one more time with me.
Okay.
Ah.
Ah.
Great job. Now I want you to try with the word. So say it after me. Not.
Not.
Beautiful. You see, you lower your jaw, you relaxed everything. Great T at the end. Say it one more time with me. Not.
Not.
Beautiful. Okay, so this sound, the sound that we just practiced, is common in a lot of words with A, with O, and AU. In general, that doesn't mean that you won't find it in other words. I'm just saying, in general, you will find it in words like this one. Now, we're gonna practice a few of these words. So, Rosa, I want you to practice with me a few of these. Do this one with me. Job.
Job.
So great job with everything. You
Okay.
rounded your lips a little bit, so it sounded more like an O.
Okay.
So try to be conscious of not rounding your lips. So intenta
Okay.
no redondear los labios.
Okay.
Okay.
Hacer como una nota mental. Igual,
Okay.
as I said, it's difficult because because you're going against muscle memory. So this is very
Okay.
difficult. So es como
Mhm.
desaprender. So that's what makes it
Mm-hmm.
difficult.
Es un
Uh,
switch.
exactly. And
Mhm.
doing that
Yeah.
switch takes repetition.
Mhm.
So do it one more time with me. Job.
Job.
So again, you rounded your lips.
Mhm.
Oh, but
Oh. Okay.
so what you're going to try to do is try to open your mouth.
Okay.
So that you don't oh.
Okay.
Job.
Job.
So beautifully at the beginning, at the end, you
Okay.
rounded
No.
your lips a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
you see, you started doing it at the beginning, so
Okay.
that's progress. Don't worry.
Okay.
Let's go with the next word. Say with me, law.
Law.
That was, you see how you opened everything and you didn't round your lips. Great job. You
Okay.
see how at the end, repetition is everything.
Okay.
Transforma tu inglés trabajando directamente conmigo en mi curso, donde también tendrás acceso a más de 100 videos y mucha práctica, para que al fin ganes confianza in your speaking skills. El link está en mi perfil. I'll see you there.
Okay.
Do the next one with me. Lot.
Lot.
So there was a little bit of rounding there, but
Okay.
no worries. This is hard.
Okay.
Interestingly, law, which is spelled with an A, you pronounced it better, which tells me that again is your Spanish brain that when you see an O, it
Okay.
makes you round your lips. Again, it's amazing how our brains work, especially with habits. It sees an O and it rounds and it makes you round your lips. Now, Genesis, I want you to practice this one with me. So say it after me. Hot.
Hot.
Great job with that. I see. If you can, just open your mouth a little bit more and make it slightly longer, just because I want you to pronounce it in the more standard version. So try just to make it a little longer. Hot.
Hot.
So I just heard, this is just me nitpicking because you're doing a great job. You're doing a great
Okay.
job. This is just me nitpicking that it sounded slightly like an A towards the end. Do the next word with me. Dog.
Dog.
Okay, so again, you're finding that sound, that it's not A, it's not O, it's difficult, don't worry. Try to repeat it one more time. Dog.
Dog.
Great job. Great job. That was more neutral in the middle. Again, in my opinion, that is the most difficult thing, finding the sound that we don't make it as an A or an O, but in the middle. That's the most difficult thing, in my opinion. Um, Do the next one with me. Here the L is gonna be silent. So walk.
Walk.
Great job, and very good job with that k at the end. Those hard consonants are difficult towards the end. Great job. Do this next word with me. Drop.
Drop.
Beautiful. Very good. DR. DRs, any combination with R tends to be very difficult. So great job. Do it one more time. Drop.
Drop.
Beautiful. Great job. Again, that it sounded very natural. And again, it's a very difficult consonant cluster. So great job. Next, I want you to do this next one with me. Listen to me and repeat after me. Rock.
Rock.
Great job. Great job with that, in between vowel sound that is not O or A. Great job. Do it one more time. Rock.
Rock.
I want you to do this one with me. Not.
No.
So, as you see, even though we spell it with a K, it's basically the same sound.
Okay. Okay.
Say it one more time. Not.
No.
Beautiful. Wait, I just tried to pronounce that T at the end. The vowel was perfect, but try to pronounce
Okay.
T at the end. Not.
Not.
Beautiful T. Perfect. Do the next one with me. Box.
Box.
Perfect. Again, you really have nailed that in between vowel sound, and very good at the end. That's a difficult sound. Say one more time. Box.
Box.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Great job, Nisa. Repeat after me. August.
August.
So here, actually, you're doing the first sound, the A, very well. The second sound is a schwa. It's a very difficult sound. So it's guest, guest. So I know that your eyes are seeing U, but you're going to pronounce it guest, okay? So say it after me. August.
August. Okay.
Very close. Again, it's hard because the schwa, this is a schwa sound, which we will see later. Don't worry. But it's a reduced sound. So it's not like in Spanish or any of the other vowel sounds that we see that are complete vowel sounds. This is guest, guest, guest. So actually, sorry that I gave you a really difficult word.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Try just the end with me. Guest.
Guest.
Beautiful. One more time. Guest.
Guest.
Like that. You see, very lazy, very fast. That is the schwa, a very lazy, fast sound. Say one more time. August.
August.
Beautiful. Great job. And again, this is a very difficult one. And I want you to feel that difference. The first sound, long, and the other sound, gust. So you see that balance between the one that we stress and the one that we don't stress. So we say it fast. Here in audio, we have a D in between vowel sounds. So it's going to become a flap D. A flap D is like the R in the word caro. So it's a very fast sound, like caro. So like that, you're going to pronounce that D here, and try with me. Audio.
Audio.
Great job. Beautiful flap D. I was a little nervous because it's difficult, but you caught it really fast. Do it one more time. Audio.
Audio.
Beautiful. And again, just like I was telling Rosa, feel that difference between the first sound that is stress and it's long, and the other one, rio, very fast. Say it one more time.
Okay.
Audio.
Audio.
Beautiful, beautiful. I'm
Okay.
also going to give you a difficult one because why not?
Okay.
So here you're gonna find the sound and respond. So again,
Okay.
you see the O, but remember, don't run your lips. And
Okay.
here respond, res. This is an I sound.
Rest.
It's not a schwa, but it's also a fast sound, and also
Okay.
because the stress is in the other syllable, it's gonna be
Okay.
faster. So respond.
Respond.
Okay, again, I was nervous, but that was perfect. Say it one more time.
Okay.
Respond.
Respond.
So again, feel how the first syllable is very fast compared to the second one. It's longer. Pond. You're really taking your time. And also, very good job with that D, because you know that the English D is a very different sound from the Spanish D. So this is a difficult word for a lot of people. So great job. Say it one more time. Respond.
Respond.
This time you didn't pronounce the D.
Okay.
Which, you know, honestly, in spoken, when we're speaking fast, when we have D's after N's, it's very common to drop them. So actually, the way that you said it is more natural.
Okay.
But I want you to do, but I want you to do the standard version, okay? So I want you to do the more difficult version and try to pronounce that D at the end. Say it one more time. Respond.
Respond.
Beautiful, and beautiful D at the end. Made it long. I'm proud of all of you. You're all doing an amazing job.